Yeah guys, WordPress here again. In this module we are going to build a professional website. Specifically we are building a website for a plumber engineer, and we are going to build this website on our local system using these two, local WP, and later upload it online. So just open the local WP. Hola, this is our local WP. And then if you remember, like in our one of our tutorial, we install this local WP and we create this site, WordPress tutorial. But in this tutorial now, these are the detail of the WordPress. So but in this tutorial now, I want to create a website from scratch. So we are going to click on this plus icon. The good aspect of this local WP is that you can use it to manage different websites independently, and then no one will affect each other. So it's better. I will create new site, new, and I'm building a website for JB Plumbing. Continue, private, yes, and our username, admin, our password. Be careful of this, our email. So add site. Just wait, this will create a folder for us and create all the necessary stuff that we need to build our website. It depends on your system and how fast it is. Allow. Yeah, so after successful installation, you just click on WP. This will open our default browser. So we enter our username and then our password. We're in the admin dashboard already, so let's install our theme. First of all, let's go to Theme Forest. Let's search plumbing WordPress theme. So there are different plumbing WordPress theme, but I think I like this 1.1 sale. I'll just choose this, open it and see the preview. Okay, it costs $49. Let me preview it. I think I like the preview. You have different demo. It's cool. Without wasting any time, just go to my website, WordPress.com, and go to resources, WordPress theme. Access my WordPress theme. This theme that cost us $49, I'm giving you for free for you to use it to design your website. And under plumbing, so this is the name of the theme, the one that plumbing 22. This is the theme I want. I'll just download it, right click, download anyway. After successful download, you should be able to see it in your download folder. But what I will do is that I will just create a folder for this project. It's advised any project you want to start, just create a new folder for it, and JB Plumbing. So I'll move my theme inside it, and so I unzip the file. So I have it, plumbing. Okay, download from WordPress. This is all the file I need, but this is the one I will install into my server. And the WordPress dashboard, we go to theme. Now add new theme. We are uploading our own because we have our own. Click on upload, locate the download JB Plumbing, the file. Make sure you upload the one that is .zip. So upload, install now. This pop up a warning. The warning is that because we are not online, it says it's not connected to the server, so that one is not, there's no any problem. So just click on activate. Hola, the theme is activated already. What I will advise is that if you know you are not using any of this theme, just delete it to minimize your server space, and to make your website more better, you can just leave only one, only two, so it will be switching between them. So we have this theme already now. So the theme, if you see it, this is the theme that we downloaded, plumbing SPL, the same thing that is online, plumbing SPL. See it here, plumbing SPL. So we have it on our install already. So now we begin installation. These are some of the plugins that we are going to install with it. So just click on begin installation, and you can mark it all. If your server is enough, everything will install once. Mark all, install, and then click apply. But you can install it one by one. So most of this time when you click all, it might restore to error, just like this one restore to error. These are all do not install. So let me just install it one after the other now. WooCommerce successfully installed. Though it say the current version does not meet the requirements, so we can just update our WordPress later. And we install Revolution slider again. Download this restore to error. This plugin does not have valid header. Okay, don't worry. And let's try this. WP Bakery is our page builder that we are going to use. Restore to error 2. Okay, let's try to activate our contact form 7. Okay, does not support. Okay, so what we are going to do is that let's check now. If you are installing WordPress, if you are installing some plugin through the WordPress, it might result to error. What we are going to do is that we are going to locate our server folder and install it there directly. So I will teach you how to do that. So from our website, just go to your local. You know, if you are in online, we go to our cPanel and access our file. But here now, just go to your local WP, go to site folder, which is the site that our WordPress installed, and go to app. Under app, go to public. This is our WordPress file. So what we want to do now is that we go to WordPress WP content. So what we want to install is plugin. So these are different plugins that I have installed here. So we are going to upload another plugin here. So we are just going to and copy a new plugin here. So you know that we download under our download folder, we have our JB plumbing. Excuse me. So we locate, you see we have plugin here. So these two plugin, you can just copy the two, and go back to our folder. This is the folder. We paste it here, and we unzip both the file. So let's right here. The second one too. That's right. So what we are going to do, after installation, we just delete the two files. The zip one, we delete the zip file. So it have installed. Now we have the JS composer and we have the ref slider. So just go to your browser and just reload. We have this Revolution slider installed. So they just activate it. So just go to your plugin. Don't bother about this one that I have not activated. Go to plugin. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down our W page builder. Let's activate this. It's activated. Go back to our plugin. Our WooCommerce require current version of WordPress does not meet the requirements. So what we are going to do is that we are just going to update our WordPress. So we are using WordPress 5.2.1. So let's just update it to 6.0. Update now. Okay, click here, update now. So after successful installation, it redirects. Hola, we have our WordPress 6.0 installed. So let's just go back to our plugin, install plugin, activate our WooCommerce plugin. So after the plugin install, it asks you to set up your WooCommerce. So just don't worry, just keep all the detail. Say no thanks. So now just go back to our plugin. Since we have all the plugin installed, we are now concerned with WooCommerce for now. We might use it later. So just go back to dashboard, and from our dashboard we have all our plugin installed. Okay, yeah. We need contact form 7 too. Let's install this contact form 7. Let's go back to plugin, install, and we just activate the contact form 7. Activated. And the update version of WP page bakery, if you like you can update it, if you like you can just leave it to the normal. So from the plugin, just go to appearance and theme option. So these are theme option. What we want to do is that I want to install the demo data. So you scroll down. This theme option is where you can modify most of the layout of the theme and the font, the color, the footer. So just click on demo importer. So these are the template that we are seeing online. I just choose any one that you like. I think I like this first one, so I will just click on import demo. Import all the content, right? Yeah. So start importing. It depends on your internet connection. So guys, after successful installation, it tells us imported. So we have it imported. Now let's just go and preview our website in the front end. So we just click here, view site, open a new tab. Let's see how it look like. Hola, we have our template installed with slider, resolution, with everything. Wow, cool. Okay, project the same way. We just have to modify some stuff and add some related thing. So now we install our WordPress theme and then we install the templates. So in our next mode now, we start modify the website, change the add logo, and modify the necessary information for our plumbing website. So but for now, let's meet in next tutorial.